Hello, this is Laura from BIMobject, and today I introduce you the BIM objects made by Rak Ceramics, specialized in ceramic and glass porcelain wall and floor tiles and sanitary ware. Now we are working in Revit, and we would like to add some sanitary and tiles to our project. We can browse the BIMobject catalog through the integrated app. Here we can easily find Rak Ceramics products using filters, keywords, or simply type in the brand name. Here is the list of all the products that have been developed by now. Rak Ceramics developed their BIM objects for all the main BIM softwares, Revit, ArchiCAD, SketchUp and IFC file, as long as other file formats that we will see later. We would like to use the Metropolitan collection, so we use it as keyword to filter the many products available. We choose to see further information about this product. Now we can take a look to the data delivered through the product page. Here is the preview image and some information about dimension. Then we have a product description, some links to Rak Ceramics website and further information like material and classifications. The Property tab includes also some data of the product. We can press the follow button to be always updated about Rak Ceramics new releases, and the little heart below the preview image saves this product in our BIM board, the list of our favorite products. Rak Ceramics delivered also a 3D preview for the sanitary products, and we can see it with a click on this button. Now that we know very well this Metropolitan bidet and we are sure we would like to use it in our project, we can download it. As told, we have all the main BIM softwares, Revit, ArchiCAD, SketchUp and IFC, but also file formats like DVG, 3ds, OBJ, STL and FBX. We download the Revit file, which is automatically converted to the Revit version we are using. Here is 2018. Since it is a wall-hung product, we need to place it on the wall, which will be its host. We could also connect it to the MEP system through the pipe connector. And in the type properties, we can see some further information, such as links and classifications. Now I would like to show you a couple more products from this product line, so we can quickly download other sanitaries to complete the project. Now it's time to place the tiles. We browse the BIMobject app for tiles and we pick the beige shade. The product page is full of useful information that we can check and then proceed with the download of the Revit file. We find a sheet that introduces us this product. There are some information about the texture, which I already downloaded, and how to help you specify this product. Then we have a 3D preview and the 3 size options choice. As stated in the how to use, in order to apply this tile to our demo, we need to copy the placeholder inside our project. Now we can go to the wall or floor structure edit and apply the tiles as material for the finish. Here we see the material browser and all the information included in the material, some identity data, graphic and appearance settings. Here are the texture and the bump map that allows us to create a realistic version of the product. We apply spatolato material and change the viewport to realistic so we can see the changes. If we zoom in, we see the tile texture detail, which will be used in the render. Here is a quick example of a draft render. Thanks for watching. Contact us from BIMobject or Rak Ceramics for any inquiry. See you soon on BIMobject.com. Bye!